in the beginning.
But if you
type.
make
Yeah.
payment at the beginning of the month, it's a type 1, right?
Yeah, let's see, look at this one, like Bridget, you guys want to give it a try of this one? This is the homework.
Where?
Number
Okay,
13,
Which one?
number 13 homework.
Yes.
You see this one you got two person,
Oh, I was working on that one.
yeah. So, Bridget want to save 150 a month starting today, so that's type equals to 1. And Jordan save 175 but starting 1 month from today. So 1 is type 1. And Bridget is type 1 and Jordan is type 0.
Right. So we need to really add that. So Bridget's gonna be a type 1, I'm gonna put.
Yeah, Bridget is type 1 and Jordan is type 0 here from this question, you see?
I am too, but I'm writing that down.
Yeah.
Whoops. Type 1.
Yes, we have to do 2. It's a 2-part.
Yeah, and then you have to do figure those two out then.
Yeah, you have to subtract the difference, yeah. Yes, so,
Wants to know.
Okay, let me go to my calculator.
yeah. You guys want to work on this one? Yeah, let's do that.
You can't use the type 1 in the calculator though, can you?
Because it's where you place it. It's where you place it, whether you place it on the 0 line or the 1 line.
You still can't get it.
You can?
No, you can't.
I did on the last one. We both did.
On the calculator? Because this one?
NFV.
This one? You mean this calculator?
No, the other one. The
This
NFV
one?
That one.
This one,
The cash flow one. We were able to on the last one.
you can, then you have to do the,
We put 10,000 in the 0.
but see, for
and then we
example,
get 10,000
then this one, it will be 10K for initially and then 10K for 2.
Right.
So it will be like 10,000 and 10,000 for 2. Yeah, and here will be 0, here will be 1. And then so you want to bet, however, you also have to calculating 3. So
Right.
yeah, it has to be like not year 2, but year 3.
you have to put
You want to
your
know year
8% up
3.
there.
Yeah, 8% there, yeah.
And once you put the 8% in,
Yeah,
then you get
so
calculations.
3 years. Yeah, so, but you can try this. But however, the cash flow has to be this. But for this one's cash flow, year 0 is 0. And year,
0, but so then the next line,
Yeah.
1 would have been 10 times 3.
yeah, it would be 10 times 3. Yeah, for that one, it would be 3. Yeah, for this one, but you still want to calculate net future value at the end of year 3. Yeah, you can use it.
That's what
But-
I'm
Yeah. So you guys got it? 4,000?
We're working on it.
4,391?
What is, wait a minute.
So did you use one for Bridget? Did you use 150 for payment? Use 120 for PMT. Use 8% divided by 12 for rate. 8% divided by 12 for rate. 8% divided by 12 for rate, because that's monthly interest rate.
Yes. 8% divided by 12.
Yeah.
And your payments are 10 times 12, right?
No,
No?
payment is, oh yeah. Ampere is 10 times 12.
That's what I thought.
Ampere 10 times 12, yeah. And then you calculate the future value. The present value is, well,
Screen, so it's like a
um,
tablet.
let me do that.
What's 8% divided by 12? Is that 0.6667? That's what it's on.
Yeah, so you see, so it should be future value, it should be 8%.
How many series?
Type equals to 1 for this one.
So the net future value, what would, did you put that in years or months? For like Bridget, because she's doing.
Am I wrong somewhere?
Yeah, I'm lost again.
Yeah,
Is it a one? But I thought it was.
Good job.
When you get
so,
the value of Bridget. Oh, really? 764?
yeah, see, I got it, I was right. 4,390.
You have 150 yen?
See, I got it, I was right.
Oh, it wouldn't be 150 times 20.
Why not?
Because it'd be 150 times 119.
I'm lost.
10 more years? So that's gonna be 10 years and 1 month?
Oh, I see, because one is a type 1 and the other one's a type 0. I think we're doing it based off of both of them being
Yeah.
the same thing.
So-
You have to subtract the two because you want to know how fast he gets to it before she gets to it.
27 what?
Or
4?
the money
I got
difference
it.
or whatever it is.
I didn't, I put it at 120, so I was right.
Yeah, so one is type is 1, one is type is 0. When it's type is 0, you can omit it.
If you want to do just 119 and then add the 150.
So her future value would be 27624. Okay. Trickery.
4,391.
He's gonna be all on the second line, because he's,
Yeah, that right?
not
So,
making a payment today, right? 175.
huh?
Yeah.
So I was wrong?
So he's gonna do,
No, you're
Yeah.
right.
still the same interest, right? Yeah, everything else is the same. Yeah. So now calculate his is 32015. Okay. 32015, 63. So what's the difference? How much more do we have?
Oh, and then what, for these, did you like format the cell?
4390? Is it
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Okay, okay, I was like, what? Okay, okay.
4390.72, so it'll be 4391. Perfect.
Yeah, so Cici, so you have these 5 variables, and now you had another one, now type is 1. You
So
could,
this is the type 0 because you put it in at the end of the month.
at the end of the month, put it
One because you put it in the beginning.
at the beginning of the month, yeah. But you see, you have, just like this case, it's 10K, but it's just like you still have 3 10K, and for that one, you still have 3 10K. Yeah.
4391, if you round it up.
So this is 19.
Basically, yeah.
How about let's do 3 more questions, that's all for today?
Keep subtracting.
You see, so no, I was in 5 now, subtracting. How about let's finish all? Yeah. Let's do 20.
Every single one's different. Whether you have to divide the I know there's
What's where the other Wait a minute.
Okay, so we're here at 20, this one. Oh no, we don't do this one. This one is preferred stock. Let's cancel this one.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, let's do 21. 21. This is preferred
Yeah,
stock.
we're gonna skip 20.
We skipped 20. Let's do 21.
But she didn't take away from how many's left.
I got you. Keep going, that's still.
Yeah, let's just do 21, 22, and we can try actually 23. 23 is easy. Yeah, let's just finish 23. 21, 22, 23. And yeah, see, let's start 21. 1 million and 1% return every month. Yeah, so if you make your first payment 1 month from now, how much do you need to deposit now? What about if you made the first payment now?
So when you say now, you mean at the start or the end?
You today. So one is type 0 and one is type equals to 1.
Problems, in other words, one of them starting it today, one of them starting it in a month. So she's making
Yeah.
us do one of those funky things again.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah, we just
Talk to her later.
Exactly.
One of the funky.
yeah. So you want to use 1 million a year from 35 years from now. So this is your future value, right?
Yeah.
Future value, yeah. 1% is your rate. 35 multiplied by 12, and that's your ampere. So how much do you need to deposit? So it's asking for PMT. Monthly payment, so it's asking.
35 times 12?
No, it's asking you for PMT monthly payment.
That's the two-part question. You have to do the
That's ampere, but 35 times 12.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Yeah. And then your monthly payment. So so asking you for PMT, but type equals to 0 for the first one. Type equals to 1 for the second part.
Okay, come back.
We started.
Okay, what, these are payments.
For the payment, I got $155.49. Anybody else need that much?
Or you can, any of those, or you can actually click the
Let's see.
sign and it'll pull bars.
Bless you.
If you do times
Slow
12, you're not
response.
gonna get 34,000.
It's wrong.
Now, that is 1% per month, so we put that a month.
Again.
653, but you
They need to be deposited $10,000.
That time you
$1
did.
million per month.
That's what you want to have.
So that's if you started it today rather than.
Right?
And we're doing this in monthly?
Zero.
It's a 1,000, 10,155.
Nothing today. We're starting. Since I typed one and we're starting.
Maybe, hold on, maybe I need to do this.
Oh, sorry, I was wrong. No, sorry, it was wrong again. It's backward, yeah. Future value, present value. So no, I was wrong again.
First day number one, no, because the
Zero,
future value,
nothing.
we're doing
We're
zero
starting
even
month.
nada until next month.
Do you have to put 0 in for the present value? Like, I don't know, like, 'cause I just did it without putting 0 in.
Sometimes you don't do it, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know, but here you have to do. I think if you don't, you won't get it.
I got the same answer when I.
Same answer?
But
Okay.
I just wasn't sure if that was.
But yeah,
For instance, if that was, I was just doing it wrong.
it looks weird. 155? Yep. Okay.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
That's what I got, was 155.50, that's why I'm over here going, all right.
That's what it got.
Testing us tonight, isn't it? 155.
Trying to throw us off.
153.9, 153, yeah. Okay. 96, yeah. So see, it was careless, so I was switching the PV and FE, so that's why the answers are wrong, totally wrong.
So you can't use
So-
a calculator for that.
Yeah, I'm having issues with,
When it's a type 1
Yeah.
or the type 0,
type 2, just calculate.
So it's confusing.
that's not a type 1, the second part, right?
The second part is type 1.
Oh, because it's made today.
Yeah.
So see, when the payment's made today, 0. Yeah, it's not. You can't use a calculator.
Payment today is number 100.
You get the payment of 155.50 on that, but you can't do a type 1 on that.
This one, the first one is type 0.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
can do the calculator for it.
Yeah. Because that calculator is not complicated enough to do that. So Excel, use Excel. Use Excel.
I'll go back to Excel.
Yeah, if you see annuity due questions, use Excel. Yeah.
It says negative, but you know that it's possible.
Yeah. Let's just do 22 now. Oh, no, 22 is preferred stock. Let's delete it. Preferred stock is different. Preferred stock, you're receiving dividend forever. You always, so it's also time value of money question, but it's just, there's no end to the cash flow, that one. Let's do the last one.
No end to cash is good.
No end to the cash, yeah, but it's preferred stock, but the equation will be different. Equation, you just yeah, so you don't use time value of money equation anymore, because that one is for limited cash flows. This is unlimited cash flows.
Okay.
Yeah, last one. Let's do the last one. Okay, this one is just, we don't use the questions we did before now. This is a new way, new ones. Well, it's more normal to like our daily practice. So what's your APR? If your monthly is 0.5%, how much is the APR? You add them up. 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. APR, 6%. You just use 0.5% multiplied by 12 or add them. APR just simply, well, you have interest rate each month, you add them up, that's your total. So annually, so you got 12 of 0.5. So you use 0.5 multiplied by 12. So APR doesn't consider interest. So you just use 0.5 multiply by that.
Now, semi-annual, would that be just times 2?
Times 2, yeah. So 0.5% plus 0.5. Times 2, 1%. So this is, we'll give you APR, you can figure out the semi-annual rate divided by 2 or monthly divided by 12. Yeah. What is the monthly rate if the APR is 12%? So divided by 12, right? So it's 1%. Yeah, so we can just stop here. We'll learn another equation called EAR here. You guys want to just have a simple like introduction for what's EAR? Yeah, you see, so your APR is 1%, right? So, but it's compounded in a year period. How many times is compounded? It's compounded in a year, compounded 12 times at 1%, right? So in a year, what is your actual return? See, if you have, for example, if you have $1,000, so it's, if we do the math, by the end of the month, by the end of the year, it should be 1%, right? So just like if you have $1,000, 1% higher every month for your account, so 12 times, and by the end of the year, so you should have how much? I think it's something like this, or something something like this, but no.
No, you're right. It was the 1126.
1126. But see, so if it's if it's one, they tell you 1% compound APR, if APR is 12%, but it's compounded at 1% every year, your account value increase at 1% every month. So in a year, so what kind of returns you're getting? Your return is how much interest? 1,000 to 1,126. Interest is this. Your return is 12.6%. Maybe I was wrong, but anyhow, 12.6%, 12.68%, I think.
12.6%. 12.6. What did you put 12.68%?
Yeah, I remember. It just, but how much is but APR is how much? 12%. But your return is, see, so this is called 12. You can use syntax will be effect is a function, APR or nominal rate, and empire or effect is a function. APR is just 12. Empire is the number of years it's compounded. So it's 12 here in this case. So you get something 12.68%. So your return, if it's monthly compounding at 1%, your return in a year is 12.68%. So not 12%. 12% you add interest rate up, but your interest rate should be increased by 1% every month. So after you do that, it's 12.68%. So that's APERY, number of periods compounded. Yeah, like you can find in the Excel formula, financial, and then you see effect. Effect is function here. So the input is nominal, which is 12%. Nominal is just APR. Nominal rate is 12. Empire is how many number of compounding periods per year, which is 12 in this case. So this is your EAR, effective annual rate. Effect is the function in Excel. So so even though you are getting 1% of interest, but in a year you're getting 12.68%, not 12%, higher than that.
That's the new concept you're talking about for next week?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
because I don't want to put the cart before the horse. I don't want to.
Huh?
I got you.
I just want to, yeah, okay. I'm just trying to introduce you to the, but it's pretty easy.
I got you.
Yeah. All right, that's how 8:34. You guys want to try?
Back up where you, where you had them, not. There. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is a different concept. The same thing. If the credit card company tell you they charge you at 12% every 12% every year, but they're actually charging you more because they charge you on a monthly basis. The same thing, yeah. So I know you guys are exhausted. But however, it's the same thing. When you save the money, they give you monthly.
They're telling you don't spend it.
Wow.
All right, I'll see you guys next week.
Will you, before I, will you just,
Can you turn it off?
how do I do that?
Just press the button on the.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.